In a world shrouded in darkness, there was a village where the people lived in constant fear of the night. The days were bright and cheerful, but the nights were long and terrifying, for the village was situated in a dense forest, and the trees concealed many unknown dangers. One day, a group of fireflies descended from the sky, landing in the village square. The villagers were amazed by their appearance, for they had never seen such radiant creatures before. The fireflies glowed gently, illuminating the dark corners of the village, dispelling the fear that had long haunted its residents. The fireflies spoke to the villagers in a language that was both beautiful and mysterious. They told of a time when the world was bathed in light, and the fireflies' glow was not necessary. But as the world grew darker, their bioluminescence became a beacon of hope for all who saw it. The villagers were moved by the fireflies' story, and they began to see the night in a new light. They realized that even in the darkest of times, they had the power to create their own light, to dispel fear, and to bring hope. From that day on, the villagers learned to appreciate the fireflies and their bioluminescent language. They came to understand that the darkest nights can hold the greatest lessons, and that even the smallest of creatures can teach us the most important truths. And so, the villagers carried on, living their lives with a newfound appreciation for the beauty of the world, even in the darkest of times. And the fireflies continued to glow, reminding the villagers that even in the darkest of nights, there is always a light to guide the way. The moral of the story is that even in the darkest of times, we have the power to create our own light, to dispel fear, and to bring hope. And that the smallest of creatures can teach us the most important truths.